Hey dudes, today I'm going to show you 3 ways to add numbers in Excel. The first way is going to be the long way. So we press the equal sign on your keyboard. Then we click on the first arrow and the first value. Press the plus, second value, plus, third value, plus, fourth value, plus, and enter. Okay, the second way, we can type equal to sum, open brackets, click the first value, type the colon, click the last value, and press enter. The last value, we're gonna use the Autosum button in the top corner. We just click Autosum and enter, and there you have it. 3 ways to use the sum to add values using in Excel. Thank you. Bye.